What do we got? It's like a stump knocker. Let me do some paddling. That is easy now. I think that's a stump knocker. It's either a stump knocker or a bluegill with a little something in him. I think it's a stump knocker. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, what do we got? It is something with red eyes. Stump knocker. I don't know why some of these stump knockers have red eyes and some of them have blue eyes, but spotted sunfish. Ooh, what do we got? We gotta tighten that drag up. Oh, we got off. I think it was a bluegill. Trying to sneak out here in this beaver pond. Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaking down the creek. That looks pretty good. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Oh, a bass. Nice. Come here, buddy. Come on in. All right. Ooh, he was barely hooked. Little creek bass. Good one. Finally. Something going on out here. I'm swapping it up to the Moondog Mayhem minnow. Let's see if we can get something going. I'm wondering, where are all the red breast? I don't know if they've been fished out or what, because I used to just hammer red breast in here. In the last few times I've been here, I don't think I've gotten a single one. I know they're biting because I see other people catching them on their videos, folks that don't live too far from here, so it's not like they've quit biting. I don't know if they've gotten fished out or eat it. Come on. Oh my God. What is it? It is, well, it's in my kayak, whatever it is. Come here. Come here. Get famous. Let's at least identify you. I think that's a shellcracker. Oh, what do we got? Oh. I think it's got the halo eyes. I don't know. That's either a shellcracker or a bluegill or some kind of bluegill hybrid. I think that's another shellcracker. They just don't have the red ear. Ooh, something pulling pretty good. Oh, it's a, dang, hey, that's a pretty nice crappie. Look at that. Wow. Come here. Look at that. Let's get you off of there. Wow. That's not a bad little creek crappie. Look at you. I'll take him all day. Oh, dang, something just hammered the Dragon Slayer. Something pretty good. I mean, I am on a little bitty ultralight. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a bass. God dang, he's got my rod completely doubled over. Come here, boy. Join the party. Look at you on the Dragon Slayer. And I just got it out of my mouth. That top water just wasn't where it was today. And look at you just hammering the Dragon Slayer. Look at that creek fatty. Well, I just love, and these fish are fat. I mean, it's a little bass, but I mean, he is a chunk, man. All right, he's got red eyes. I guess all this tannic water. I mean, not red eyes, but redder than like what I usually see. All right, a good one. Thank you for being part of the show. Well, I stand corrected. He was all over that bad boy. Shout out to Moondog Bait Company, because we've gotten a couple of catches off of their stuff today. Oh, whoa, something just came flying out of the water. Trying not to throw my reel off the back of the kayak. Easy now. These are really good hooks. These are from Moondog Bait Company. They're sharp. I hadn't missed one with them yet. I don't want to jinx myself. Yeah, bluegill or it's got the vertical bars, so a bluegill or a shellcracker. Y'all let me know in the comments on any of these fish that I might be misidentifying. Well, it took a couple of days, but we got enough fish for a pretty decent video. The bite just wasn't turned on one day. I had to come back today to really get some good footage, but they were turned on today, and got a couple of nice fish. Some of these fish, when I catch out of the creek, I'm not quite sure what I have. They're stump knockers, bluegill, shellcracker, and they all kind of look the same, almost like they're hybrids. Some have red eyes, some have the blue halo eyes. So if you can identify them in the comments, let me know. Let me know if I'm getting any of these wrong, because, you know, it's not like a pond where everything kind of looks like it's supposed to. These creeks are just weird. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you made it to the end. I'm getting a powered kayak next week, so I should be able to get on the bigger rivers and go upstream when I'm by myself. So I'll see you then. See you in the next one.